I'm going to quickly cut across to Ananya Pandey, who's right now exiting the NCB office after grilling for a couple of hours. This is the second straight day that actor Ananya Pandey has been questioned of her involvement in a drug chat with Aryan Khan, and of course her history with drugs, including purchase and consumption. Ananya Pandey, these are live visuals coming right there from the NCB office, where she just sits in her car and exits. Remember, Chunky Pandey, her father, had accompanied her this morning while she entered the NCB office. He was asked to stay outside, in fact wait outside the waiting room, and she was taken in. Reports on ground suggest Ananya Pandey has been quite nervous. She even broke down on the first day of questioning. She seemed quite upset. Chunky Pandey accompanied her father, and now this is the second day that she is being grilled. She was inside the NCB office for a couple of hours. She was questioned on a few chats related to drugs with Aryan Khan, Shah Rukh Khan's son. In fact, a lot of those chats suggested, had references of drugs, particularly ganja. She was questioned about the ganja chats, and Ananya has reportedly said that it was just a joke. The references that she made to any kind of drugs, including particularly ganja that was mentioned in that drug chat, she says it was only a joke and that she has nothing to do with any drugs. She hasn't been involved with drugs. She hasn't consumed it, and that whatever chats that they were referring to, she has no recollection of it because it was old and she has no memory of it. That's what she says. But nonetheless, the NCB seems to have found some kind of information through those chats between Ananya Pandey and Aryan Khan. Various occasions, they've had multiple chats that they found that suggests both of them have allegedly consumed. Now this, of course, the NCB has to come down to prove these allegations, but here's the allegations which the NCB is currently probing in depth. Ananya Pandey is currently being grilled for the second day straight, and these are visuals coming in, live visuals of Ananya Pandey just exiting from the NCB office. Divesh joining us more on that. Divesh, Ananya Pandey has just exited. Take us through exactly what has happened. You know the line of questioning that she was under.
Yes, Nabila, it is almost 4 hours now that Ananya Pandey was questioned at the Narcotics Control Bureau. She has just left with her father a while ago. She was allowed to go. It is not known yet whether she has been called again by the Narcotics Control Bureau, but she was grilled by Sameer Wankhede, who is the zonal director of NCB. He is supervising the cruise drug bust case, and this questioning happened in presence of Superintendent V.V. Singh, who is the investigating officer of this case, while there was a female personnel of NCB present throughout the questioning. Chunky Pandey was made to sit outside in the waiting area, while Ananya Pandey was being questioned in Sameer Wankhede's office, where V.V. Singh and another female employee of NCB were present. The line of questioning remained the same, where NCB officials tried to find out details regarding the drug chat that were found from Aryan Khan's phone. There were references of ganja, there were references of marijuana, there was references of weed in these chats, and she was being grilled regarding the same. She was being asked whether she had helped Aryan Khan to procure these drugs, whether she had herself procured these drugs, whether they had consumed the drugs together, whether how long had they been consuming these drugs. It is not known yet what Ananya has replied today, but yesterday when she was questioned for around 2 hours, she had refuted the claim that she had ever consumed drugs. She said that she has not consumed drugs, and the chats that were being referred to were just a joke. She was joking, and other mention that she made was that she was talking about cigarette and not a drug, not a banned narcotic drug. So we are yet to know from our sources in Narcotics Control Bureau of what has happened today during the questioning. But Ananya Pandey, it's a relief for her for today because she has been allowed to go home. NCB officials could call her again, but it is not known yet. We are trying to contact our sources in Narcotics Control Bureau to get more details whether she has been called again or not. Nabila.
Right. Well, there are a couple of chats that shows some references to drugs between Ananya and Aryan. Of course, the NCB is inquisitive, but have they found anything substantial to detain her? Because that's the questions and concerns being raised, whether this will go the Aryan Khan way. Will Ananya Pandey be detained? Will she be arrested? Is there enough incriminating evidence for the NCB to detain her and appeal for it in court.
Well, Nabila, she's been allowed to go home, so NCB doesn't seem in a mood to detain her or arrest her today at least. She's been allowed to go home with her father. She's just left a while ago. As of now, NCB is only referring to the WhatsApp chats that they found from Aryan Khan's phone. Remember, they also have Ananya Pandey's 2 mobile phones, which they've seized from her residence during the raid that was carried out at her residence yesterday by NCB officials. They have recovered dump data from both these phones, and the analysis of this dump data is still going on. They are analyzing the WhatsApp chats, if any, found in those phones, and based on that, she could be called again. But as of now, it's a relief for Ananya Pandey that she's been allowed to go back home on the second day also. Nabila.
Right. I'd like to ask you a little in detail about the line of questioning there, Divesh, because we know that Ananya Pandey was quite nervous. She says she's never consumed drugs. And in fact, when speaking of ganja, there are some references that she's made of ganja in those WhatsApp chats with Aryan Khan. And she says she was only joking and did not know that ganja is a drug. That's the explanation that she has given. Anything that we know elaborately what she's spoken with the NCB or what the NCB has asked further as they grill her?
See, the NCB was focusing on the WhatsApp chats recovered from Aryan Khan's phone. So the basic question that the NCB officials posed to Ananya Pandey was regarding procurement of drugs. The WhatsApp chats indicated that Aryan Khan and Ananya Pandey were communicating regarding procurement of a banned narcotic drug. So if they had procured this banned narcotic drug, that strengthens the case of Narcotics Control Bureau. This also helps them in producing more evidence against Aryan Khan, against his drug consumption habits, in front of the Bombay High Court, which is going to hear the bail application of Aryan Khan on Tuesday. Also, they were trying to get details from her regarding if she knew any peddlers, if she had procured any drugs, if she had been consuming any drugs, if there were any friends who had been supplying drugs to them, what amount of drugs were there, what were the drugs that they were consuming. But as of now, it seems that Ananya Pandey has responded in negative. She is not confessed to anything. She is not provided. It seems that she has not provided any such details to the Narcotics Control Bureau. But we are yet to get official confirmation, official details from the Narcotics Control Bureau. Ananya Pandey has just left from the NCB office, and we are trying to get more and more details on her questioning from our sources in the Narcotics Control Bureau. Nabila.
Right. Well, thank you very much, Divesh, for joining us with those details. Those are live visuals that we show you of Ananya Pandey, who's just exited the NCB's office. This was the second day of grilling that she was subjected to. A lot of chats between her and Aryan Khan are currently being probed. Detention for now looks unlikely, but she could be called in for questioning another round.